If you have been waiting to reach a 20% down payment before buying your first rental property, you are officially working harder than you need to. In 2026, many conventional loan programs now allow you to purchase a single-unit investment property with just 15% down, significantly lowering the barrier to entry for new landlords. While putting down less than 20% does require private mortgage insurance, the ability to get into the game sooner often outweighs the small monthly cost of that insurance. By keeping that extra 5% of cash in your pocket, you have a much larger safety net for repairs, vacancies, or even your next down payment. Lenders are looking for a solid credit score, typically above 700, and at least 6 months of cash reserves to prove you can handle the responsibility. You can even use 75% of the projected rental income from the new property to help you qualify for the mortgage, even if you've never been a landlord before. This strategy allows you to scale your real estate portfolio much faster by spreading your capital across multiple properties instead of locking it all into one. At lower mortgage rates, we specialize in these low down payment investment options to help you start building your rental empire today.